As a gardener, you know the importance of trellis and supports. Trellis and support helps in vertical gardening, thereby saving useful space in your garden. As a proponent of cheap and easy gardening techniques, I came across this inexpensive trellis which I built myself, taking it up as a DIY project. I'm using this trellis here to support my long beans and the heavy pumpkin plant. So let's learn how to make this easy and inexpensive DIY trellis. For this project you need two wooden posts and the dimension is 1 inch by 2 inch and the height of 8 feet. You also need a drill and drill bit. You need some screws and a Phillips screwdriver. I also got a 100% cotton thread for the trellis. The 100% cotton helps to be biodegradable so that when the plants intertwine in your trellis, you can just biodegrade and compost everything with the thread. You might also need a wooden saw, but this is optional given that the home improvement stores nowadays cut your wood for free. So I took the two posts and cut it in the proportion of 5 feet by 3 feet, so to make a rectangle of length of 5 feet and the breadth of 3 feet. To join the wood, we need to drill pilot holes before inserting the screws. The importance of pilot hole is that without the pilot hole, if we directly insert the screws, the wood might crack. Using these wedges are optional but good for the stability of the joints. Now it's time to attach these posts at the bottom of the trellis. These posts will help the trellis to set up in the ground to stand. We'll attach two of these posts at the bottom of the trellis at either side. The frame is ready now. So to wrap the thread around this frame, we will put some screws through the entire frame around half a feet apart, and we will not fully insert the screws. We will expose the head slightly so that the cotton thread can be looped around this head. So once all the screws are in, we have to tie these threads around the screws by looping them. Do the same around the corner too and tie the thread perpendicular to the already tied thread. And then you can put this trellis in your garden bed. You can put it in several ways. For example, here I have just put it upright or leaning towards this fence also, where my gourds or the beans will grow through here and then lean into the fence here, and they can go and climb over the tree or they can climb over the fence. Or you can put it in a way where there will be posts and you can put it over the posts horizontally. The total cost of this trellis comes under $5, which includes the wooden panels and the materials being utilized for this project. It does not include the cost of the tools being used here. It took me slightly more than an hour to complete this DIY project. So this is how you can make a cheap and easy DIY trellis. Thanks for watching my video, and comment if you have any other trellis idea or you like this trellis idea.